is Waah Gwaan. What's poppin'? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So these are the nails that we'll be doing in today's video. Very discreet Russian French. If you guys want to see how I did them, please continue watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to measure my nails and then I'm going to cut it to the length that I wanted it. And after doing so, I will then go in and bend my nail in half. So please ensure that the nail that you're using is quite flexible. So we'll bend the nail in half, and after that is done, I will then go in with my scissors. So how I hold the scissors now to cut at an angle, you can cut it twice, meaning you can cut each edge twice, not twice, each edge once, so it end up twice. So but because I was lazy, or not lazy, I was looking for the simplest way out, I will just go in, fold the nail, and then cut at an angle. I wanted to cut from the tip straight down. So you'll see me, I'll repeat it once again. I'll measure my nails, I will cut to the length that I want it, and then I'll bend the nail in half. Ensure whenever you're bending these nails, it is bend right down the middle. If it can't happen, it just can't happen, right? So then I will go in with the scissors at the angle, starting from the tip and downwards. Be careful when you're cutting these tips because I accidentally cut myself. So after that is done, I was then going and apply my tips. I realized that when the nails were bent, the tip applied great than when I will just go in with it regularly. Because these nail tips are quite heavy, they tend not to stay on the nail, and I have quite a fight with them. So this was a good strategy. So after that is done, I was then going once again, shaping up these nails, ensuring that this is exactly what I want. Shape in 2 directions. So we're about to jump on into this video and I'm about to explain to you why you should do that and the reason why my Russian French was quite discreet. It was not evident, but I will be definitely trying out this video. If you try this video out and it works for you, you definitely can tag me in a picture or you say, girl, you got this. Hopefully reach a point where it, gone somewhere. So I will go in, squeeze the nail once again because I want them to be of that Russian French look. So I wanted them to be down. So after that is done, I will be creating a French. So for a Russian French nail, it don't directly have to be a French nail, but it's what design that you're going for, you can create it in a French. It really doesn't matter. So what I'm doing right here, I'll be going in with dark nude from Glamour Nails and I'll be creating my smile line. So for today's video, I'll be only demonstrating on one finger because the motion is repetitive. But for the nail art portion of this video, I'll definitely be showing all throughout. So I'll then ensure that my cuticle area is quite capped. I'll go in and in with smaller beads, ensuring that. So I've explained in my other videos, like if it takes you 10 beads to get to a certain point, it will then take you 10 beads to get to a certain point, as long as it comes out the way that the client wants and you want. So it really don't matter. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload. So after that is dry, I will then go in with my emery board to give it a more defined look. But I was really proud of myself because this is actually one of the first smile lines that I created, and I didn't really have to do I really didn't have to do much filing, which is a great improvement. So I'll go in, shape up the smile line as best as I possibly can, even though it's minimal filing. So after that, after I'm through with that, I will then go in with my acrylic. I'll be using 2 types of acrylic. I'll be doing a quote-unquote ombre fade with black, midnight black, and ultra blue. I'll be alternating between the both. So for the ring finger, I did the blue, which you see me doing right now, and then the black at the tip. Very, very interesting design that I was going for. I was excited to see the end result, but there's one thing that did happen in this video, and I want to correct it before, you know, someone decides to go and attempt this nail shape. So I'll just go in with my Ultra Brow at the smile line area, and then for the very end I will go in with Midnight Black. So these are the nails after I was through. You saw the shape, you saw that it was there, but by the time we get to this end of the video, the shape was quite discreet. So anyways, I went in with my emery broad. Here's where I went wrong, and I want to point it out before someone actually went in and do what I do. So there's two directions on my nail. So you have a very straight path, and then you have one that is pointing in an upward motion. So what happened now is that I did not make that adjustment when filing, so I was going at the very tip of the nail, and I was not curving it up to keep the curve appeal of the nail. So I filed straight. It took away that curve appeal, so I tried getting back the nail shape, but I got it back to some extent, but it was not there. So definitely when you're filing, definitely filing to two directions, one straight and one going up to keep the curve appeal of the nail. So after I'm through with the emery board portion, I will then take my e-file and go over each of these nails, removing the bulk of the nail. So what is satisfying about this and seeing this part is that when the product is being removed off the nail and you're seeing the full effect of the nail, it is so gorgeous. If you agree with me, definitely like this video. So these are how the nails are looking after I was through with the filing. So exotic and beautiful. So anyways, I will then move on to the nail art portion of this video. I was really excited to share with you guys because I was so fascinated by this nail art here. Very simple but very eye-catching. So I'll definitely link the picture in this video, and I will link her Instagram down below for you guys to go check her out because her nail arts are bomb.com. So I'll create the bubbles on each of the nails, and then I'll cure, and then I'll create definition to these bubbles, and then I'll go in with some colors around the bubbles after I'm through because that's what she had and I thought they were pretty cute. I was going to go in and do some marbling thing, but I was like, all right, let me just keep it, you know, quick and simple. So I will create the definition in the nail, and then I'll cure that for around 30 to 10 seconds there, but I'm not quite sure how quickly I cure these nails. So yeah, so after that is done, as I said, I will go in with my colors and just create a little bit more definition on the nail. It looked cute, it turned out so well. And after I was through with that, I will go in top coat. After cure, obviously, I will then go in and top coat and cure once again, and then I will come to you guys. All my cuticles come with the reveal. I hope you guys learned something from it. I hope this video don't go in vain. If you find that you struggle, or you know someone who struggled with this nail art, or not this nail art, this nail shape, definitely show them this video and definitely show them that tips can work with it. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video.